Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Dai coin or Dai token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. Our first step is to basically get its contract address, and we're getting it from coinmarketcap.com. That's the website of interest. As you can see here, we are taking a good look at the Dai price. We are aware of its statistics because of coinmarketcap.com. And what we're going to do is simply scroll using the taskbar or menu bar and head over to the About, where we have all of its contract addresses. And what we're looking for is the BEP20 address, seeing as Trust Wallet is more of a BEP20. You simply then copy its contract address. And once that's done, you minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. Head over to the browser section, but please make sure you do have cryptocurrency on you. So you do click on PancakeSwap. The reason you're going to need cryptocurrency is because you're going to need it for swapping. So make sure you have a BEP20 tokens available. Our next step is to make sure our wallet is connected to ensure that our transaction is completed and it's deposited in our wallet. So once you see the disconnect option, it means your wallet is currently connected. Otherwise, you manually connect. Make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain network as well. Our next step is to simply click on the wiki cards, and in the search for name or paste address, you simply paste the address we just copied, which is for the Dai. You click on Dai, and now it's a low risk token. So we're going to be swapping out our either refinable or BUSD. So let's go with BUSD. Let's go with 25 or 50% in exchange for 5 of the Dai or 1.5 as well. Reduce the slippage tolerance to 1.0. As you can see, it's a low risk transaction. You simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pop in, and you click on approve. And boom, the Dai has been done. Transaction submitted. Click on enable Dai. That's to add it to your wallet. And here is the transaction receipt as well. Our next step is to head over to the wallet section, reload for a bit, and boom, here it is, Dai on the BEP20 network as well. Alright guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Dai token or coin on your Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.